Good morning, dear students. Today we will be starting with our next chapter of the reasoning, that is embedded figures. So first of all, we have to understand the meaning of what is embedded figure. Embedded figure is a part of the logical reasoning in which a person is asked to find geometric shapes within a large complex image. Okay, in this, what is the meaning of the embedded? Embedded means fixed. A figure is fixed in another image and you have to find out the correct image in which that figure is fixed. So when we will be doing the questions, you will be able to understand it more clearly. Okay, so let's start it. Some of the examples are given. So when you will be able to understand the meaning of the embedded, you will be easily able to do those examples also. Okay, so first is choose the correct option figure that can be embedded in the given figure. Okay, see here, a figure is given to you. This is the figure given to you, and among the four options you have to find out that option that can be hidden in this figure. Okay, from the four options you have to find out the correct one option that can be hidden in this figure, that is fixed in this figure. If you take the case of this type of shape is definitely not here. Okay, so if you take the case of this, yes, definitely this shape is hidden here in the form of this. Clear? So our shape number 2 is fixed here. Not straight line is here, so definitely this figure is not here. This is also not here. So you have, among the four options, you have to find out which option is fixed in this image. So which option is fixed in this image? That is your B part. Clear? Now the question number 2 is also same. Among the four options, you have to find out the option that can be fixed in this given image. Okay, so now if you see this, is this type of image is there in this figure? Yes, this is here. If you compare here, it is somewhat like this, but here little bit overlapping is there, crossing is there, so it is not possible to be here. No straight line, so definitely big no, and triangle is no here, no straight line is there, so definitely our answer is A part, and here it is B part. Okay, now the question number 3. In the question number 3, again you have to find out the image, you have to find out the shape that is hidden in this figure. Okay, so if you see the figure carefully, in I think in a quick way you will be able to find out that this shape is hidden here like this. Okay, so what is the answer here? The answer is the B part. Among the four options, you have to find out which option is hidden in this complex image. So this is a fun loving game. Okay, so when you will be doing these questions, you will be finding it pretty interesting and you will be able to solve all the questions very easily. Okay, so the next question number 4, this is little bit complex image. This is a puzzle for you, so I am giving you as a homework, so you have to do it in your homework. Now the next one is question number 5. In the question number 5, you have to find out which among the four options which is hidden in this figure. Definitely no, this can be, but here if you will see, this is more curvy here and it is less curvy here, so I am ignoring this. Now if you come to this point, you see here it is like here this, and then your this, and this is curvy here now. So what is the correct option? The correct option is just C. D is definitely not here. Now the question number 6. In the question number 6, again from the four options, you have to find out which option can be hidden in this, which option can be fixed in this figure. So yes, my students are very intelligent, I know. So here it is like this. Okay, so marking with a pencil. Clear? Now in the next one, from the four options, again you have to find out which one is hidden here. So first one is definitely no, B1 is no, C. if you see here carefully, it is like this. Okay, so what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Now the question number 8. This is very interesting. Among the 4 options, it is clearly visible here. Which option is hidden in this figure? So which option is hidden here? The option hidden here is option A. Okay. Now, in the question number 9, yes, it is clearly visible. Yes. Okay. So option here is 9th A part. Now, in the question number 10, from the 4 options which is here, it is looking like this, that this is hidden here, but if you see it clearly, here it is a slanting line and this is a straight one here, so it can't be. Now move to this part, this, okay, this and this. So which one is the correct option? This is not here, this is not here, so which is the correct answer? The correct answer is your B part. Okay, so now question number 11 to question number 15, all questions are in your homework and you have to do this work in your book only. Okay, so this chapter work will be done in the book itself. Okay, so today you have to complete your question number 1 to question number 15 embedded figure work in the reasoning book only. Thank you.